patience goes like this. So, Tasyo, Tasyo joined a national competition and is under mentor. So in order for Tasyo give him the national competition, so her mentor was give to create a support to me, like cheering up to him. Go!
Encourage her.
So whether you win or lose, at least you give honor and pride to our so supportive, no? Affiliated. I could think of any other way to show support. Tama na, okay na.
Or emotional.
Papakita. Financial.